We have this one, doom. We also have the oops in reverse. We also have the 10. Okay. So, maybe some of you nagpapanik. Lalo na retrograde. Marami nangyayari talaga. To be honest, we also have the here in either way. We also have the dream. So, during this period kasi ng Mercury retrograde, ganito talaga na parang nakatira ka sa illusion. Kaya guys, minsan kung ano man ang marinig mo or malaman during this period, wag basta-basta maniniwala kasi some can be just an illusion, honestly speaking. And with regards naman sa love life, guys, be careful on your speech. Honestly, kasi madalas talaga yung away sa love life during retrograde. That's a misunderstanding. So, if ever nagkaroon man ng mga away, lalo na pag yung connection mo hindi naman karmic, wag basta-basta mag-give up sa relationship. Kung ganon, mind as well na isipin mo yung pagsasama nyo ng inyong lover, kasi si 10 of Hearts naman, naka-upright yan. Nandun naman yung love, na despite na may away, yung dapat mag-focus ka sa love. If ever yung connection mo, hindi naman karmic relationship. We also have this one in reverse. We also have the peace. So if ever there is an argument between you and your lover na hindi naman karmic, huwag kayong basta mag-let go. Parang na-repeat lang yung nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina. And reminder na there should be peace after a fight. We also have this one. So as of now, you need to focus on your work. Honestly. At wag kayong padalos-dalos mag-isip, mag-husga, or kung ano man. Siguro sa ngayon, nag-feeling kayo na nawala yung endeavors mo with regards sa arts, sa music, whatsoever. Kasi iniiwas ka ng Panginoon na magkamali. Kasi during this period talaga, laganap ang pagkakamali, lalo na sa creative endeavors na yan. Kasi yun nga, parang nasa illusion or parang lutang ba yung mind natin. And then, pag may nagawa tayo, example lang, okay? Pag may nagawa ka na let's say artwork within this period ng Mercury retrograde, nangyayari yan, after ng retrograde, saka mo malalaman na hindi pala okay yung nagawa mo, or maybe ginagawa mo yung artwork, madaming mali. Okay? So, yun yung iniiwas ng Panginoon na masayang yung oras at panahon mo sa paggawa ng art. At saka, hindi talaga maganda rin na may gawin ka during this period din. Kasi whatever that you create, maybe it's an artwork, or can be, let's say, sculpture, whatsoever, hindi siya magtatagal. Anything that start in Mercury retrograde, hindi nagtatagal, guys. So, if you are wondering kung during what time ba tong retrograde, actually, paiba-iba siya every year ng schedule. You can search about it on Google. Kung tuwing kailan yung Mercury retrograde, lalo na sa taon na to, yun yung gawin nyo for this months. Siya, February 26 siya nag-start at mag-e-end siya ng March 20. Okay? So, we also have the good times in either way. We also have this sword. So, more on speech. Mag-ingat kayo dyan, guys, sa speech. Kasi, dyan tayo nadadali. There's some misunderstandings, okay? So, that's it, guys, with regards to today's message. I hope that this may give you some insight and awareness, and God bless you.